Tell your sissy that. Tell her that. Tell her that.
Do it, Leah. Say sad.
Say sad.
Happy.
Happy.
You do it. You do it.
Okay.
Okay.
Tell me the no. Tell me the no.
Okay. We need to focus. Focus. So sad. Happy. You do it. Yeah. Are you sad?
You're gonna wake up your brother, sweetie.
Yeah. You need to be quiet. You're crazy.
Are they good?
Can you say chip? Say chip.
Chip.
Look at this place, girls. Atlantis, we should go
Say
here one time.
eggs.
The dolphins.
Can you say egg?
Huh? No.
No.
It's a real place. Well, Atlantis, the story is a fake place. This place is a hotel place.
You like the underwater?
Yeah, the underwater world, Atlantis.
Yeah.
Next weekend, Christmas birthday.
So, what'd you decide, sweetie?
We're doing race cars.
Race cars, and then you're gonna bring your
And-
friends up.
And then she's going to do her gift from us, and then we're going to do a slumber party, barbecue,
Cake.
cake,
What do you want
and
in the barbecue?
donuts in the
Hamburgers, hot
morning.
dogs?
Yeah.
Hamburgers, hot dogs? Okay. And what else? You want some barbecue fries? Maybe I'll make some barbecue fries out there.
Barbecue fries.
Mm-hmm. Barbecue fries. We'll barbecue fries next week.
She's going to be 12.
Well, you have now.
Little Miss Tween. Say bye-bye.
Papa.
But you have to wave when you say it. Say bye-bye.
Papa.
And wave. Say bye-bye.
Papa.
And wave. You have to wave too. Give me a silly face. Can you give me a silly face? Silly face. Like this. Aaliyah. Are you tired? Go to sleep. Say go to Sleepy Land.
Go.
Go to Sleepy Land.
That little mouth of hers, that teeth, those little kernels of white
Give me the
teeth.
look.
Go.
Sleepy Land. Sleepy Land. Say Sleepy Land.
Go. Go.
Sleepy Land.
Go to
Close. Okay.
She's getting hilarious.
Sweetie, can I tell you a story? I used to do that about not eating stuff. It's meat. I didn't like meat. Oh boy, it's torture. I used to pretend like I ate it.
Slip it to the dogs.
Didn't work.
Okay. Attention's on
Guess
you
what?
again.
Guess what? Now I love meat.